It's about motherfucking time. 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 It's about motherfucking time.
Got my shit, yo. Got my shit. Can't show the front yet. Has addresses. Got another unboxing. This one is going to be a good one. This is a book from not from this guy. Look at this guy. Can you see him? That's my chocho. What do you want? You know I'm talking to these guys, right? I told you about this. That when I'm talking, hey, what is wrong with you? I told you when I'm live, you don't come over here. I had to be a daddy. Hey, get out of here. Don't come back now, you hear? Okay, so anyway, I got my... Someone was just calling me. I was just looking at the thing. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Let's go over here. So I got my buddy, anybody that from where I grew up, man, I'll show anybody some love, man. New guy coming up. And I don't even know if he's a new guy, but I know I've been following him for quite some time. Tyler Nichols. Based out of Kingston, Pennsylvania. Hope there was... No, that's right. He said there was newspaper in there. Thank God. Can't flip this bitch over because I don't want to show the addresses. Look, I get to read the Times Leader. And it says, lucky you. Look at that. Did you do that on purpose? Lucky you. God damn it. I'm fucking around. I'm going to read this Times Leader, right? Is it the Times Leader or is it Citizen's Voice? Times Leader. Times... Oh. That's the obituaries. Yay. I was right. There it is, buddy. There it is, buddy. Okay, now I promised him, look at this. Cool ass fucking stickers. You know where these are going to go, right? Right there. These are pretty badass, man. For Steve, I survived a stabbing. Here, right there. Let's get weird. This is a badass one, man. This one I like. Look at that's going right there. Fucking hua. So that's pretty fucking cool. Then I asked him, hey dude, is there any way that you could sign the thing? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up framing it, put it on the wall with some of the other stuff that I have. I got another one from Daniel Yuck. That was real cool. Got this from Tyler. That's pretty badass. Thank you so much, man. And yeah, I'm not showing the inside. Let me take a look. Dude, this is bad ass. I'm definitely going to be able to use this. Yeah. I like that first picture. And dude, if you got me on the first fucking picture, it's a pretty good indication you got me for the rest of the book. Definitely a awesome addition to my stash over here. Here, take a look at this. Okay, so there's my other stuff. I got a bunch of things from Daniel Yuck. This one I'm going to have to actually make room for. So one of these He's going to have to come out. Okay. Thank you again, man. And good luck to you. Good luck to you, bro. I'll see you when I'm in. When I go to visit my mom the next time. I'll stop by and maybe we'll get some ink. All right. Late.